Hi guys, so today we're making the most delicious curry beef. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have a piece of beef chuck roast right here, and I'm just gonna cut it up into bite-sized cubes, pieces. Okay, so once you cut up all your beef and you wash it, you're gonna season it with some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, ground cumin, paprika powder. So add 2 tablespoons of green seasoning and mix it. Then you're gonna cover this and let it marinate for at least 1 hour, but preferably overnight, so that the beef get all of that good flavor. Add some curry powder as well. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of curry powder. And of course, this is the one that I always use, Chief. So now mix it, cover it, and let it marinate. Okay you guys, so as you can see, I added some oil in the bottom of my pot and I'm letting it get nice and hot. Okay, so I would say I added about 4 maybe 5 tablespoons of oil. And right here on my cutting board I have some minced garlic, a little bit of minced garlic, some freshly minced ginger, and some onions sliced up. So I'm gonna add that into the oil in the pot. I'm gonna add in the onion, the ginger, and the garlic. Give that a stir and let it cook for about 2 minutes to 3 minutes until the onions soften a little, okay? And my stove is on medium heat. Now I'm gonna add in some curry powder and some of this Amchar masala. So sometimes I add this and sometimes I add jera, but I don't have any of the roasted jera, so I'm gonna use this one. Add in a little bit of that, and then the curry powder. Marinate about a tablespoon of curry powder. I mix it up. And then I'm going to also add about a teaspoon of saffron powder or turmeric. Okay? Alright, now give that a mix. Mix the seasonings with the onions and let it cook for about 2 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes. It smells so good. It smells amazing. Amazing. Okay. So now I'm going to start adding in my beef. Then I'm going to mix it in with the onion and the pot. And then I'm going to let it cook for about 2 minutes again before I add in the other ingredients, okay? Alright guys, so now I'm adding in some water. I would say start with 2 cups of water, and if you see that you need more, then add some more water in it until the beef is cooked tender, okay? So yeah, 2 to 3 cups of water to start. Okay, so next you're going to cover the pot and let it cook to a boil. While the beef is cooking, you want to slice up about 1 carrot, and I'm going to cut these 3 potatoes into some cubes. Okay, so once you finish cutting up your potatoes and slicing your carrots, you're gonna set it aside until we're ready to add it into the pot. Check on our curry beef and see how it's going. Seriously, this beef smells amazing. So it smells amazing, it looks even better. So at this step, you guys, what you want to do is taste the sauce and adjust your seasonings as needed. Okay, I'm gonna add some more salt. I'm also gonna add a little bit of beef bouillon powder. Alright guys, so add in some bouillon powder. Give that a mix. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup, not a lot, okay? 1 to 2 teaspoons, and mix that in. And after that, you guys, you're gonna cover this and let the beef take its time and cook until it's tender. I'll let you guys know how long mine took to cook. And yeah, so the potatoes and the carrots, I'm gonna add it in when the beef is at least halfway cooked, okay? So when I have about 30 more minutes of cooking, that's when I'll add in the potatoes and carrots. Okay, so now I'm gonna start adding in the potatoes into the beef and also the carrots. Just gonna cover that and let it cook until the beef is tender, the potatoes is tender, everything is just tender and delicious. Right, let's look at the beef. Ooh, this looks delicious. I keep saying that, but it really do. Oh. Plus my daughter just said this. What are you making that smells so good? Oh, look at that. Okay, it's tender. Ooh, see that? This is what we're looking for. We want it to be tender and not tough at all. No tough meat over here. Alright, you guys, so the beef is good. I could tell it's tender and cooked. You see, it's just broke apart. So it's cooked. So the last thing I'm going to add in is some fresh cilantro that I roughly chopped up. And I'm gonna mix that in. You can let it cook for 3 to 5 more minutes if you like, and then turn it off. And that is it, you guys. We finished cooking our curry beef. It looks amazing. It smells so good. We are done. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so I'm finished and here is our plate. It looks so good. Alright, so amazing. I can't wait to taste it. I know this is gonna be delicious. Cucumbers, and that is my dinner for today. So as usual, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.